This is how we display images on a website using HTML. First, go to your files and pick an image of your choice to display. Right-click, then copy. Go back to VS Code and paste the image on the folder you are working on. To paste, you can press Ctrl+V. If you can see the image like this, it means you have successfully pasted it. Go back to your HTML file. We use img to define images. Then in the img, write s or c, meaning source. Inside the quotes is where we write the name of our image. Don't forget the .jpg or .png extension, it varies with images. Make sure to put yours correctly, otherwise the image won't load. Then run the file in browser. As you can see, you successfully loaded your image in the browser. The other important feature you need to look at is alt. This means if the image doesn't load, maybe due to slow network or other errors, display this message instead. If I delete this image so that it fails to load, we should see the alternative text. And as you can see, the image did not load. But instead, the user of your website will still know what the image was about. I will put the image back so that we see the next important properties. Next, we will look at controlling the size of the image. In case you want a specific size, this is what you will do. Write width and specify what size you want. For me, I will use 100 pixels. Also, we have the height property. Specify the exact size you want. For me, I will use 100 pixels. And as you can see, we have the image at the size we specified. That's how we put images on websites. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.